One unidentified man was fatally shot during what is being described as a third shootout with a joint police-military patrol team in the Kilmarnock area of St. Elizabeth yesterday afternoon. In the same incident, a teenage boy was injured and taken to hospital while a third male escaped the grasp of the security forces. All three men are residents of St. James, where a state of public emergency is now in place. The injured male, a 16-year-old student from Cambridge in St. James, which has seen a marked rise in criminal activities in recent times. The student was found with gunshot wounds to his legs. An Uzi submachine gun and 2 magazines containing 35 9mm rounds were reportedly found by the security forces along with a Browning pistol. The police yesterday reported that operations are being conducted in other parishes, including St. Elizabeth, targeting individuals believed to have fled from St. James because of the state of public emergency. At least one wanted man has been captured in St. Elizabeth since last Wednesday. He is Donald Reed, otherwise called John, a 46-year-old taxi operator of Portobello, St. James. He was wanted for burglary and rape. The continued efforts of the security forces to clamp down on illegal firearms and ammunition, as well as the apprehension of wanted persons, have once again yielded success. One Remington 12-gauge shotgun, 7 12-gauge cartridges, 2 power banks, flashlights, mobile phones and other paraphernalia were seized today in Kilmarnock, St. Elizabeth. As a result of the state of public emergency currently ongoing in St. James, many persons of interest, many wanted men, many gang members or alleged gang members have been on the run, and as such, the security forces has extended the operation into neighboring parishes such as St. Elizabeth in order to apprehend some of these fleeing criminal suspects, and as such, they had great success today. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.